I'm Olmer Cruz. I'm the aquatic therapist here at Lindbrook. Peak Performance. ACLs, the first 0 to 4 weeks, it's hard for them, just because they're closing up their sutures, and as long as they're completely closed. 4 to 6 weeks, what they're doing now is out there, they're finally getting on the brinks, working on balance, working on some weight bearing. In the pool, they're already walking normal. Between the 4 to 6 week, we could actually start jogging them. From 8 to 10, you could start doing some frontal planes, some shuffling side to side, things like that. Then from 10 to 12 and 12 and beyond, we really want to do some sport things. We try to have the pool and land work together. That's what we usually do. So in the very beginning, they're very excited, and it doesn't die out. It's not like, all right, I want to be out of the pool. It's more like, wow, I did it here, and now let me transfer everything I did in here out there. Right. And so a lot of our therapists, what they do, especially that's why we're training our therapists to learn a little bit more about bringing the people into the pool. And it's not just for low level. It's not just that 4 to 6 week stage and then they can leave again. It's more of, sometimes they start out here, then they just work in the land, and then right before they leave, they come back to really do that hardcore plyos, jumping in a proper form. Decrease inflammation. Being in the water pressure kind of helps them out. I see range of motion coming back a lot quicker, strength coming out a lot quicker, and also getting back to sports. A lot of times when they're just doing land and 12-week mark, they're not really even shuffling out there. And here they were already shuffling and kind of jumping. So I see a huge progress compared, and that's what I explained to the rotator cuff. I have that advantage where I work in the pool, but I also work out there. So I see sometimes athletes that don't use the pool, and they're just a step behind. And for athletes, that's not something they want. They always want to be a step ahead, and HydroWorx in the pool helps us do that.